Welcome to Product Plus. From kitchen gadgets and space-saving organizers to cooling appliances, portable brewers, cleaning solutions, and comfort upgrades, this roundup highlights innovative products designed to simplify daily routines and add a touch of fun, whether you're cooking, cleaning, relaxing, or exploring at home. All products links in the description section below. If you love quick, cozy moments that feel a little extra special, this popcorn popper easily slips into your routine and quietly upgrades it. It blends convenience with healthier snacking, using hot air instead of all, so you can enjoy big flavor without the heaviness. Picture movie nights, study sessions, or weekend hangouts where fresh popcorn is ready in minutes. No mess, no hassle, just warm, fluffy crunch. It's the kind of kitchen tool you don't realize you'll use constantly until you have it. Simple, fast, and unexpectedly fun, it keeps everyone grabbing handfuls and smiling. And with its accessible price at $29.99, it's a small switch that makes home moments taste better every single movie night ahead. Boiling eggs should be easy, but somehow, it always feels like a guessing game to soft one day, to firm the next. This color-changing egg timer takes all that frustration out of your routine by giving you a clear visual guide as it cooks. Just drop it in the pot and let it help you hit the perfect soft, medium, or hard-boiled finish without hovering or stressing. It's especially helpful for busy mornings, quick meal preps, or anyone trying to stay consistent with snacks and recipes. Simple, reliable, and genuinely useful, it adds calm to your kitchen rhythm. And with its affordable price of $6.49, it makes everyday cooking feel easier with every single boil. Some kitchen tools instantly make everyday cooking feel smoother, and this clip-on strainer is one of those tiny upgrades that saves time without you even thinking about it. Instead of juggling hot pots and bulky colanders, you just snap it on and pour. Simple, safe, and way less messy. Whether you're draining noodles after a late-night meal, rinsing veggies for a quick lunch, or managing busy weeknight dinners, it keeps cooking effortless and cleanup light. Its compact design fits almost anything, so it becomes one of those gadgets you reach for constantly. And with its budget-friendly cost at $9.96, it's an easy addition that makes daily kitchen tasks feel better every single time you cook. Some tools instantly make outdoor cooking feel smoother, and this hot dog roller is one of those little upgrades that changes the whole vibe. Whether you're grilling for family, hosting friends, or setting up a quick backyard snack session, it keeps everything turning evenly, so you're not guessing or babysitting the grill. The long wooden handle makes it super safe and comfortable to use, especially when the heat gets intense. It's also surprisingly versatile, great for sausages, taquitos, even egg rolls, so it earns its spot in your BBQ kit. If you enjoy effortless, perfectly cooked results without extra fuss, this simple tool delivers every time. With a price of $14.99, it brings consistency to grilling with every single turn. Staying organized in the kitchen gets so much easier when a small tool takes away the usual mess, and this baggy rack holder does exactly that. Whether you're prepping meals for the week, portioning leftovers, or organizing snacks, it gives you that extra pair of hands we all wish we had. The adjustable height makes it perfect for different bag sizes, and the sturdy non-slip base keeps everything steady while you pour. It also folds flat, so it slips right into a drawer without taking up space. If you like smoother, spill-free food prep and effortless storage, this helper fits right in. With a price of $9.99, it truly simplifies every kitchen task with zero unnecessary hassle. If you love the cozy feeling of movie nights or simply enjoy fresh, flavorful snacks, this stovetop popcorn popper brings the whole experience to a new level. Its modern design doesn't just look great, it delivers fast, evenly popped kernels thanks to its stainless steel build and clever spinning mechanism. Whether you're prepping a big bowl for friends or treating yourself, the 6-quart capacity makes sure there's always enough to go around. Plus, it works on any stovetop, so it fits right into whatever kitchen setup you already have. Cleanup is refreshingly easy too, which keeps the fun going without extra fuss. With a price of $199, it turns simple snacking into something truly enjoyable every single popcorn session. Cooking gets a whole lot calmer when you're not dodging hot oil or wiping down every surface afterward, and that's exactly where this clever splatter guard steps in. It gives you full access to your pan while keeping messy pops and spills under control, making everyday meals feel smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're searing burgers, simmering sauces, or sauteing a mountain of veggies, it helps everything cook evenly without the hassle. Plus, it rolls up small enough to tuck away anywhere, which is a big win for busy kitchens. With a price of $23.95, it adds effortless comfort to every single cooking moment. If you love cooking but hate being glued to the stove, this hands-free automatic pan stirrer feels like having a tiny kitchen helper on standby. It keeps soups, sauces, gravies, and porridge moving consistently, so nothing sticks or burns while you focus on other tasks. With 3 speed settings and a LED indicator, it adapts easily whether you're simmering something delicate or keeping a thicker mix in motion. Plus, its heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe legs make cleanup simple, perfect for busy weeknights or long meal prep sessions. And because it's cordless and compact, you can use it anywhere you cook. Priced at $38.95, it quietly upgrades your everyday cooking flow with ease. If you're tired of watching perfectly good produce go bad overnight, these clever fresh lock containers make everyday kitchen life so much easier. They hug cut fruits and veggies with a snug silicone seal that helps lock in color, flavor, and freshness, ideal for meal prep, quick breakfast toppings, or saving that half avocado from turning brown before you get back to it. The clear, stackable design keeps your fridge organized while cutting down on plastic waste, and the durable build holds up to daily use. They're great for lunches, snacks, or on-the-go produce storage. Priced at $13.99, they help your fridge stay neater, fresher, and effortlessly organized. Keeping your kitchen running smoothly often comes down to the simple tools you reach for every day, and this magnetic plastic wrap dispenser is one of those quiet game changers. It sits neatly on your counter or snaps onto the fridge, ready for quick wrapping, storing leftovers, meal prepping, or sealing ingredients without wrestling with tangled film. The smooth sliding cutter gives you clean, easy sheets every time, no more ripped edges or wasted wrap, while its refillable design makes it a long-term staple. Whether you're wrapping lunches or covering dishes after dinner, it adds convenience to your routine with zero fuss. Priced at $21.99, it keeps storage fast, tidy, and totally effortless. When your space starts to feel warm or stuffy, having a fan that actually adapts to your routine makes all the difference. This oscillating table fan brings cool, refreshing airflow right where you want it, perfect for bedrooms, study sessions, or keeping your home office comfortable all day. With multiple speed settings, quiet operation, and a handy remote, it fits effortlessly into your daily rhythm without adding noise or clutter. Its modern look blends easily with any room, while the energy-efficient motor helps you stay comfortable without worrying about power use. Priced at $75.84, it keeps your space breezy, balanced, and consistently comfortable. Precision in the kitchen doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all you need is a tool that keeps your cooking smooth, accurate, and stress-free. This digital spoon scale fits perfectly into everyday routines, whether you're measuring spices for dinner, portioning ingredients for baking, or dialing in the perfect coffee dose. Its clear LCD display and quick-read design make it ideal for anyone who likes clean counters and simple workflow. The lightweight build is easy to store, yet precise enough to elevate your results without slowing you down. Its last listed price was $14.99, making it a handy upgrade for anyone who loves cooking with confidence. If you love great coffee but don't want to rely on bulky machines or electricity, this portable espresso maker slips seamlessly into your daily rhythm. Whether you're heading to school, work, or a weekend hangout, it gives you rich, cafe-style shots wherever you land. The manual pressure system keeps things simple while still delivering that smooth, bold flavor you'd expect from a full-sized machine. It's light enough for travel, dependable enough for home, and quick enough for busy mornings. Just add hot water and your favorite grounds. With a sturdy, compact build, it's perfect for anyone who values convenience without compromising taste, especially at $99.59 before you try it today. If you love grilling but wish it felt more effortless, this cordless rotisserie kit brings a surprisingly fun upgrade to your cooking routine. It works with grills, ovens, smokers, pretty much whatever you already have, so you can enjoy slow-rotated wings, veggies, or whole meals without plugging anything in. The manual wind-up design feels simple and satisfying, and once it starts spinning, you're free to relax, chat, or prep sides while it handles the heavy lifting. Its stainless steel build keeps it sturdy outdoors, yet it's compact enough to use inside too. Great for backyard weekends, camping, or everyday meals, especially at $169.95 before you give it a try. Prepping ingredients instantly feels easier when your tools actually work with your kitchen setup, and this over-the-sink cutting board does exactly that. The built-in collapsible colander keeps washing and chopping in one place, saving you from constant back and forth and helping keep your counter cleaner. It's a great fit for small kitchens, busy routines, or anyone who likes keeping things simple and organized. The non-slip edges give you a steady surface, and once you're done, both pieces rinse off quickly or go straight into the dishwasher. It's the kind of small upgrade that quietly levels up your daily cooking, especially at $17.99 before you make prep time easier. Staying cool on hot days gets a lot easier with a gadget that chills your drink fast, and that's exactly what this compact cooling cup is built for. It uses a small electric cooling plate to bring beverages down in temperature much quicker than a regular fridge, making it handy for study sessions, gaming, or keeping on your desk during warm weather. You can pour your drink directly into the cup or place a can or bottle inside, and its lightweight design makes it simple to carry around. It's meant for anyone who wants quick refreshment without a full fridge nearby, and it comes in at $26.97 before you enjoy cold drinks anytime. Keeping your sink area dry doesn't have to feel like a constant chore, and this long faucet mat makes everyday cleanup smoother without any extra effort. Its angled design helps water drain quickly, so instead of wiping puddles, you can focus on cooking, doing dishes, or just keeping your space looking neat. The flexible silicone fits different sink setups, and the snap lock feature keeps it from sliding around, which is great if you're always multitasking in the kitchen. It even doubles as a small organizer for soaps or sponges, adding a bit of convenience to your daily routine. Coming in at $11.99, it helps keep your kitchen effortlessly tidy every day. If you've ever wished dishwashing could be as simple as tapping a button and walking away, this compact countertop dishwasher fits perfectly into that everyday rhythm. It's small enough for tight spaces, but still handles a family's daily dishes, which makes life feel a lot less cluttered. With different wash modes, including a baby care cycle and a speedy 29-minute wash, it adapts easily to busy routines. The built-in water tank means you can use it even without a direct faucet hookup, adding flexibility whether you're in an apartment, dorm, or RV. And with its drying and ventilation features, everything comes out fresh and ready. Priced at $339, making kitchen cleanup effortlessly simple always. If you love the idea of turning ordinary drinks into fun, icy treats, this slushy machine fits perfectly into relaxed weekends, parties, or even solo movie nights. Just pour in your favorite liquid and let the rapid chill system work its magic. No ice needed, no fuss. From fruity mixes to coffee fraps or grown-up margaritas, it delivers consistently smooth textures thanks to its preset programs and temperature control. Plus, it keeps your creations chilled for hours, so everyone can enjoy a refreshing pour whenever they want. Easy cleanup and a generous capacity make it a handy upgrade for any kitchen. Priced at $269, bringing frozen fun effortlessly closer. Exploring nature becomes even more fun when you have a tool that's simple, safe, and perfect for curious minds of any age. The Carson Bugview turns everyday outdoor moments into hands-on learning, making it easy to catch, observe, and gently release tiny creatures without harm. It fits effortlessly into family trips, backyard adventures, or classroom activities, blending education with excitement in a way that feels totally natural. With its one-handed operation and 5x magnification, it adds a little spark of discovery to every outing. At $11.99, it's an easy pick for anyone ready to bring curiosity into everyday life. Bug catcher for curious explorers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.